Hey, it's Jason with CasterDepot. Today we're going to review Albion's 18 series rigs. This is an Albion 18 series rig. Note the sleek, maintenance-free design. The 18 series is ergonomically designed for ease of movement and quiet mobility. They are engineered to significantly reduce push and pull force. Albion's 18 series rigs are constructed of high-strength steel with an attractive zinc plate finish. They feature cold-formed, quarter-inch thick steel top plates and yoke bases for durability. Swivel sections feature a sealed precision bearing. This innovative design eliminates the need for regular greasing or maintenance. Some key features include lasting performance, corrosion resistance, and RoHS compliant. CasterDepot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Albion's 18 series rigs, or if you would like to purchase, we are only a call, click, or visit away.